I don't like the idea of having like 100 pair of shoes, and if I decide to move somewhere, it's like a whole task trying to transport that stuff.
So right now, what's the collection looking like? As in the minimum that you have right now that you just it's flown.
Man, it's tough because I told myself by the end of the year I want to get down to 12 shoes in my personal collection.
Mm-hmm. You're at 112 right now.
I've been doing good.
Okay.
I've been selling off stuff from my personal collection, and I'll pick up stuff, maybe like 1 or 2 pair of shoes a week now, just casually, if I can get it for retail. If not, I don't lose any sleep over it. I'm not stressing over certain shoes. But right now, I'm definitely made it under the 100 mark. Last year I was over 100.
Right.
I think probably like maybe in April is when I probably broke down that 100 mark. I might be just shy of 190 something.
So shoes is, a pretty good business to be in as a side thing, or your main thing.
If you want to take it seriously, like you could easily achieve six figures. Like it's not. Well, I wouldn't say it's that hard, but if you put the right systems in place, if you have the right
so you got your
relationships,
social media.
Yeah, and you so
no, not really. Okay.
No. I'm active on social media, but nowadays, in order to compete, you're gonna have to pay to play. So if you want to take it real seriously, there's Discord groups.
Wow.
There's bots.
Okay.
There's proxies.
Wow.
There's a lot of overhead that you're going to be paying to compete with other people trying to buy shoes online.
Wow. So it's pretty much back then. It went from standing up in line. Now it's just all digital.
Not only just standing in line. Like you could build relationships with employees, build relationships with people around the community, and just like once you were in there, like you could make some deals happen locally. But now it's everything is digital, and it's about whose bot can perform the best, and then what services and tools are you using for your bot to outperform the other bot.
So the marketplace now is due to technology is more open now. It's just more competitive.
Very competitive. And then what that means is like more people are in there, more people are paying for these tools. The margins are starting to slim down. So I mean, before you could easily double a shoe, but now if you're lucky, bots don't guarantee anything. Bots just help your chances of getting a shoe.
Wow.
Yeah, nothing in
so
the
it's
sneaker
equivalent
thing is
to
like
standing in line and they don't give out a ticket
or they get to everybody and then
you're the last
person and there's no ticket for you.
Okay.
And you wasted all your time.
Yeah.
Because nowadays people wake up in the morning, maybe 2 hours before release, they'll have to set up their bot properly. They'll have to like get these proxies and all this. It's a lot. There's a lot of steps to it. And it doesn't even guarantee you one pair.